president? Huh? School captain. She's right here. Madam School Captain. How are you, my dear? Very good. So, nimekutana na huyu mrembo akasema yeye ndio kusema. Ati hapa yeye ndio? Ama uliniambiaje? So, sasa sema.
The President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Daktari William Samuel Ruto, we are glad to have you. We are most privileged for you allocating your time and come see us. We are very much grateful na tunakushukuru sana kwa kuwa umetuahidi hizo ahadi zako na tunatumai kwamba utazitimiza kwa mwendo, maana tunangoja sana. Si tunangoja? Na tunangoja. Tafadhali zisikwe tu ni maneno ila timiza. Asante sana.
Thank you very much. So in that case, therefore, there was a commitment of a bus. The bus is right here. So I am going to hand over to these girls. Yeah? Sindio? On their behalf. So I'm going to hand over to these girls. I have been told here by Mwalimu that you do not have, you have 20 teachers. Is it 20? 20 teachers who are hired by the Board of Management. So all those 20 teachers, I will transition them next week. Yeah? So, so that utanipatia majina yao walimu 20 so that we can make them paid by government, and then you can release some resources to serve these girls. And then finally, there was, the matter of, wewe, tafuta 1 million shillings patia mwalimu anunulia hawa wasichana mkate. Sawa?